Welcome to this new episode, and let's get straight to it.
In this part, you will have some noise in the background, so you can have a good training on how to listen to difficult sentences. Now, close your eyes and listen to me. This is a very nice phone. This is a very nice phone. This is a very nice phone. Now, open your eyes. What did you hear? Now, close your eyes again and listen. This is a very nice phone. This is a very nice phone. This is a very nice phone. Now, open your eyes. What did you hear? The correct answer is, this is a very nice phone. Let's turn to the next one. Close your eyes and listen. Go and bring me some coffee. Go and bring me some coffee. Go and bring me some coffee. Now, open your eyes. What did you hear? Now, close your eyes and listen again. Go and bring me some coffee. Go and bring me some coffee. Go and bring me some coffee. Now, open your eyes. Open your eyes. What did you hear? The correct answer is, go and bring me some coffee. I think you get it now. Excellent.
And finally, thank you for watching this video. This video was a part of a full course for learning English for beginners. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.